Welcome to Brewfix. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast, a barista, or a technician, this channel is your go-to guide for espresso machine repairs, maintenance, and tips. I document every repair and share expert insights on keeping your machines running like new. From descaling tubes and boilers to external and internal cleaning, changing OEM parts, and fixing taste issues, I cover it all. Today, we're going to uncover the one screw that changes everything when fixing any coffee machine, and why missing it could be costing you hours, money, and a perfect cup of coffee. Most technicians, baristas, and enthusiasts underestimate just how important certain screws are. Not all screws are created equal. Some might look small, but they hold critical components in place, controlling water pressure, alignment of the group head, or even your machine's boiler integrity. Failing to remove or tighten this screw properly can lead to leaks, inconsistent brewing, or even permanent damage to your espresso machine. Today, I'll show you exactly which screw this is, where it's located, and why it's the secret to faster, more reliable repairs. Depending on your espresso machine model, this screw is usually part of the group head assembly or the pressure valve system. In some machines, it's tucked behind panels or hidden under the drip tray. So many beginners overlook it. Using the right screwdriver and a flashlight will help you locate it safely without scratching or damaging your machine. Knowing where it is and understanding its function will save you from hours of trial and error. Trust me, I've been there. Before we go any further, let's make sure you have the right tools. You'll need a set of precision screwdrivers, flathead and Phillips, needle nose pliers for tight spaces, a soft cloth to protect your panels. Optional, a torque wrench if you're working on commercial machines. Having the correct tools is essential. Using the wrong tool can strip threads, warp fittings, or even damage expensive OEM parts. Brewfix always emphasizes working smart, not hard. Step-by-step removal and maintenance. Power off and drain. Always unplug your machine and drain the water to prevent accidents. Access the screw. Remove the drip tray or cover panels depending on your model. Loosen carefully. Turn the screw slowly, keeping track of washers or spacers. Inspect and clean. Once removed, check for mineral buildup, corrosion, or misalignment. Even a small blockage can affect pressure and extraction. Reinstall correctly. Tighten the screw just enough to secure components. Over-tightening can strip threads or damage seals. Following these steps ensures your espresso machine runs like new and avoids leaks, pressure drops, and uneven espresso shots. Many people make one of these mistakes when dealing with this critical screw, forgetting to loosen the screw before moving parts, causing strain or breakage. Over-tightening and cracking the group head or boiler mounts. Not cleaning the screw or surrounding components, which leads to recurring issues. Avoiding these mistakes will save you money, time, and frustration, and keep your espresso flowing perfectly. It might seem like a tiny component, but this screw affects water flow, pressure stability, and shot consistency. A misaligned group head or a poorly seated valve can create channeling, sour notes, or under-extracted shots. Fixing this one screw properly improves espresso crema, shot consistency, overall flavor balance. Every barista, home enthusiast, and coffee tech should know this. It's a tiny adjustment with huge results. Pro tips from Brewfix. Always keep a log of screw locations and torque settings for each machine you service. Take photos before disassembly. Trust me, future you will thank you. Regularly inspect screws during preventive maintenance to catch issues before they escalate. Combine this with descaling, group head cleaning, and pressure testing for the ultimate espresso repair workflow. That's it for today. That one screw is small but powerful, And now you know exactly why it matters, where it is, and how to fix it properly. If you follow these steps, your coffee machine repairs will be faster, your espresso shots will taste better, and you'll avoid countless headaches. Don't forget to subscribe to Brewfix, your ultimate guide for espresso machine repairs, maintenance, and pro tips. From descaling tubes and boilers, cleaning, changing OEM parts, to fixing taste-related issues, we cover everything you need to keep your coffee machines running like new. Check out our Brewfix resources, Coffee Technician's Business Blueprint. Turn repairs into a profitable business. Ultimate Coffee Grinder Repair Manual. Master your grinders. Espresso Repair Master Checklist. Find issues like a pro tech. Wrench Brewfix. Keeping your coffee machines running and your mornings caffeinated.